Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present my group. Okay, this is our member group. First one, me, Nik Sulaiman Adik bin Abdul Razak. Second is Amir Rashida bin Ahmad Hassani. Third is Muhammad Thaqib Zakir bin Muhammad Zakir. Okay. What is welding process? Actually, welding is a fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused together by means of heat, pressure, or both, forming a joint as the parts. Welding is usually used on metals and thermoplastic, but can also be used on wood. Four types of welding, which are: the first one is gas metal arc welding, or GMAW. Second is gas tungsten arc welding, or GTAW, shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, and the last is flux core arc welding, or FCAW. How to weld? You need to follow this step to get better product. The first one is we need to consider the safety. Second is gather necessary equipment. Third is clean your metal. Fourth is cut your metal. Fifth, set up your workpiece. And the sixth is turn on the welder and adjust the setting. The seventh is check weld the workpiece. And the eighth is fill in the remaining areas with bead welds. And the ninth is clean up your piece. And the last is clean up the area. Okay, this is our observation project, our observation object, which are show right. The first figure is the front view, while the second figure is the top view. Regarding to this object, we identified there are two main weld defects, which are overlap weld, and there are gas pore within the weld metal. The specific size of the ratio is over here, which is the width is 30 centimeter, length is 65 centimeter, height is 80 centimeter. Okay, I think that's all for me. All right.